Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Albanian food. We'll start by exploring the foundational ingredients that give Albanian cuisine its unique flavor. You'll learn about the importance of high-quality olive oil, fresh garlic, and aromatic herbs like mint and parsley. We'll also cover staple proteins such as lamb and beef, along with a variety of seasonal vegetables. Understanding these core components is the first step to creating authentic and delicious Albanian dishes right in your own kitchen. Next, let's dive into some iconic Albanian main dishes. We'll guide you through preparing tavkosi, a beloved baked lamb and yogurt casserole, often made with 1 pound of lamb. You'll also learn to create fajese, a vibrant stew featuring roasted peppers, tomatoes, and creamy cottage cheese, typically using 2 large peppers. These hearty meals are central to Albanian culinary tradition and offer a true taste of the country's rich flavors. No Albanian meal is complete without its delicious sides and breads. We'll show you how to bake byrek misrai, a rustic cornbread, often using 2 cups of cornmeal, perfect for soaking up rich sauces. You'll also learn to assemble fresh, vibrant salads with crisp cucumbers, ripe tomatoes, and a sprinkle of feta cheese. Additionally, we'll explore preparing stuffed vegetables, such as bell peppers filled with rice and herbs, adding wonderful variety to your table. Finally, let's explore the sweet treats and refreshing beverages that complete an Albanian dining experience. We'll introduce you to balokum, a unique cookie from Elbasan, traditionally made with 8 ingredients. You'll also discover triles, a delightful 3-milk cake, often topped with a rich caramel sauce. And for drinks, we'll cover the cooling dala, a savory yogurt drink, alongside the country's strong coffee culture and soothing herbal teas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.